Hello viewers, today we are telling you about the discovery of the nearest planetary system to Earth, but if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Discover the nearest planetary system to Earth. Massachusetts, astronomers have discovered a new multi-planet system. 33 light-years from Earth.in this system, now the closest planetary system to Earth. Two planets orbit a cool M-dwarf star called HD 260655. M-dwarf stars are the smallest and coolest type of star, and are the most abundant in our Milky Way galaxy. The innermost planet in this system completes one orbit around its central star in 2.8 days and is 1.2 times larger than Earth and slightly dirtier, while the outer planet HD 260655c completes an orbit around its star every 5.7 days. It is 1.5 times larger than Earth but less dense than Earth. Unfortunately, these planets are not suitable for life. These planets orbit so close to their host star that temperatures are so high that liquid water cannot exist on their surfaces. Looking at the small orbits, scientists have estimated that the temperature of the inner planet is 436 degrees Celsius, while the temperature of the outer planet is around 286 degrees Celsius.